Day 2. I'm recording this at night only. So I had overnight soaked oats in breakfast, palak paneer with broccoli and rice in lunch, chala chaat in evening, and again palak paneer with broccoli and a small bowl of rice for dinner just now. Drank 3 liters of water, did yoga in the morning for 30 minutes. 12 minutes Zumba in evening, and I was also able to complete 11k steps today in two parts. Like in morning I did around 5,000 and then in evening I did around 6,000 steps. So see you tomorrow.